what are the different programs that you regularly join into? Depending on the conditioning we've been subjected to and our stage of development, we will experience reoccurring emotions each time we join our programs. Many of us are suffering every day, joining programs that cause deep feelings of shame or sadness. Our personalized versions of separation sickness, a malware virus that houses our sense of suffering, blocks our ability to experience the present moment devoid of our corrupted code. As a result, we automatically join programs based on our outdated default settings, the filtered views that do not serve our growth or expansion. Our sufferings have infected our well-being for far too long. Our remedy starts from within. At Urban Spiritualist, we are offering our awareness tool, ROR, as an antivirus software meant to help all of us evaluate the programs that we join into and reprogram our conditioned minds so we can actualize real change. When we roar, we are pausing at 4 points of awareness to reveal, open, receive, and release. The ROR algorithm is highly adaptable and can be uniquely customized for each individual's specific needs. Through using the ROR methodology, we can reveal to the limiting beliefs we are engaging with each time we join into a particular type of program. Then, we can open to the reality before us and identify what has triggered us into the defaulted state of being. From there, we receive and take ownership of our thoughts and behaviors. Finally, we release an action plan to reprogram the limiting beliefs that we revealed to in the first place. This is how we roar. This is how we can create anew as conscious stewards of our own reality. The time has come for all of us to break free from our cycles of repeated suffering and take full responsibility for our lives as we step into our own sovereignty. Can you think of a repeating situation, behavior, or experience to which you could apply the ROR algorithm and illuminate a new pathway of engagement? Sign up for our newsletter today and learn more about ROR and become a part of the change. Join us.